Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into a topic that's transforming the continent, African military technology. Forget the old stereotypes about African military forces. We're not talking about outdated weapons and dusty boots anymore. This is a new era of advanced technology and strategic innovation. From cutting-edge tech to groundbreaking innovations, African military forces are stepping up their game. Over the next few minutes, we'll explore the advancements from the plains of Kenya to the bustling cities of South Africa. We'll showcase the latest military vehicles, drones, and high-tech equipment that are game changers in the field. Get ready to witness innovative training methods and cutting-edge technology in action. Africa is making significant strides in military technology, and we're here to show you how. Let's get started. First stop, Kenya. Now, Kenya has always been known for its stunning wildlife and breathtaking landscapes. But hold on to your safari hats, people, because things are about to get interesting. Beyond the savannas and safaris, a new kind of wild is emerging. Kenya is quickly becoming a hub for military tech innovation, and the world is starting to take notice. This East African nation is making waves in the tech world, and it's not just about software anymore. We are talking next level stuff here. Think advanced surveillance drones, cutting-edge cybersecurity systems, and even more. The innovations are not just theoretical, they are being put into practice, and even whispers of some seriously impressive artificial intelligence projects in the works. These AI projects are set to revolutionize how military operations are conducted. One of the key drivers behind this tech boom is the Kenyan government's commitment to investing in its own military capabilities. This investment is not just financial, it's strategic and forward-thinking. They're pouring resources into research and development, and it's clearly paying off. The results are visible in the rapid advancements and the quality of the tech being produced. But it's not just about the government. Oh no. Kenya's vibrant tech scene, often called the Silicon Savannah, is also playing a major role in this military tech revolution. The synergy between the public and private sectors is remarkable. Startups and established companies alike are jumping on board, eager to contribute their expertise and creativity. This collaboration is fostering an environment ripe for innovation. And let's not forget about the soldiers themselves. They are the end users of this technology, and their feedback is crucial for continuous improvement. The Kenyan Defense Forces are known for their discipline, passion, professionalism, and adaptability. These qualities make them ideal candidates for integrating new tech into their operations. They're not afraid to embrace new technologies and tactics, which is a big part of what makes Kenya such a force to be reckoned with. The future looks bright for the Silicon Savannah soldiers. From Kenya, we're heading over to the wider East African region, a place rich in culture, diversity, and history. Now, this region has faced its fair share of security challenges over the years, from cross-border conflicts to terrorism and even internal strife. But in the face of adversity, East African nations have come together to find strength in numbers, showcasing remarkable resilience and unity. We're seeing a growing trend of collaboration and cooperation when it comes to military technology, which is crucial for modern defense strategies. Countries like Uganda, Tanzania, and Rwanda are pooling their resources and expertise to develop regional security initiatives and bolster their collective defense capabilities, ensuring a safer future for all. One prime example of this is the East African Standby Force, a regional peacekeeping force that's been making waves in conflict resolution and humanitarian assistance, providing much needed stability. This force is not only equipped with some seriously impressive hardware, but it's also a testament to the power of regional cooperation and shared goals. But it's not just about boots on the ground. It's about leveraging technology and innovation. East African nations are also investing heavily in intelligence sharing, joint training exercises, and the development of early warning systems to prevent and respond to emerging threats, creating a robust defense network. This collaborative approach is not only making the region safer, but it's also fostering a sense of unity and shared purpose among East African nations, strengthening their bonds. It's a beautiful thing to see, folks, a true testament to the power of unity and cooperation. Next up, we are heading south to the tip of the continent, to a country that's been a pioneer in military technology for decades, South Africa. Now, South Africa has a complex history, but one thing's for sure, they know a thing or two about building world-class military equipment. From armored vehicles to missile systems, South Africa has a long and proud tradition of military innovation. One of the things that sets South Africa apart is its focus on self-reliance. They've made a conscious effort to develop their own indigenous defense industry, reducing their dependence on foreign suppliers. And let me tell you, it's paying off big time. South African companies are now major players in the global arms market, exporting their cutting-edge tech to countries all over the world. But it's not just about the money, folks. South Africa is also using its technological prowess to promote peace and stability on the continent. They've been actively involved in peacekeeping missions across Africa, and they're sharing their expertise with other African nations to help them build up their own defense capabilities. Now, that's what I call being a good neighbor. Last but not least, we're heading west to check out the exciting developments happening in West Africa. This region has faced its fair share of challenges in recent years, but amidst the difficulties, a new wave of technological innovation is emerging. From bustling cities to remote villages, the spirit of innovation is palpable. Countries like Nigeria, Ghana, and Senegal are stepping up their game, investing in new technologies to combat terrorism, piracy, and other security threats. These nations are not just adopting technology, they are adapting it to meet their specific needs. And they're not just playing catch-up, folks. They're setting new standards and leading by example. They are coming up with innovative solutions tailored to their unique challenges. Take Nigeria, for example. This country is making significant strides in drone technology. They're pouring resources into developing their own unmanned aerial vehicles or drones for surveillance and reconnaissance missions in the fight against Boko Haram. These efforts are not only enhancing security but also fostering local expertise. These drones are not only highly effective, but they're also significantly cheaper than their foreign-made counterparts. This cost effectiveness is a game changer for the region. Meanwhile, Ghana is making waves with its efforts to develop a robust cybersecurity infrastructure. The country is becoming a hub for cybersecurity training and innovation. They're training a new generation of cyber warriors to protect their critical infrastructure from attacks and safeguard their digital sovereignty. This initiative is crucial for maintaining national security in the digital age. And let's not forget about Senegal, which is emerging as a leader in maritime security technology. The country is taking significant steps to secure its waters. They're investing in new patrol boats, surveillance systems, and training programs to combat piracy and illegal fishing in their territorial waters. These advancements are not only protecting their resources, but also boosting their economy. Wow, we've covered a lot of ground today, from the plains of Kenya to the bustling cities of South Africa. And one thing's clear, Africa is done playing catch up when it comes to military technology. We've seen how African nations are investing in their own defense capabilities, developing cutting-edge technologies, and forging strong regional partnerships to address shared security challenges. This is a new era for African militaries, and the world is taking notice. So, the next time someone tries to tell you that Africa is lagging behind, you tell them to think again. The future is African, and it's looking brighter than ever. Thanks for watching, folks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more eye-opening content. Peace out.